What's up, Logan fam? It's Jay.
Faith. Shakera.
Back with another video. Y'all, today we're doing the glow in the dark slime. This ain't a challenge, is it?
It is.
It is? Experiment challenge?
It's an experiment challenge.
I'm so excited about this video.
Me too. I've been pressing Jay to do this. Like,
I'm so excited about this video.
Pressing him.
It's gonna be really fun. Glow in the dark slime. Now we're trying to do giant, but we might get more of a medium look. Yeah. We'll see.
Definitely not enough glue for giant.
But we got five fluid ounces of Elmer's glow in the dark glue. What else we got, Faith?
We got my made up contact solution.
We got some contact solution. Faith put a label on it for us, but it's just your regular over the counter contact lens solution. Yeah, CVS. We got CVS.
And we got baking soda. I got baking soda.
We got 2,
3.
Oh, we got a big mixer spoon right here, and then we got 2 tablespoons. This is for our baking soda and contact solution.
And we got a container.
And then we got our container right here that we are mixing our slime in. So let's get that ready, Faith. Boom. And right here, we have our instructions. I write just like a doctor. So I got all our instructions. So Dr. Logan,
a doctor or
preferably.
So y'all ready to make this slime?
So we're gonna pop the tops. Go ahead and pop the tops off of them, Faith. Make sure you get all of it out. Cause for the recipe I got on paper is for all of it. So you gotta squeeze as much as you can out.
Or just sit it in a container and let it sit until it comes to the bottom. Jay, that's so nasty in my ear. That looks like a dookie turd. A blue dookie turd.
Ooh, Faith.
You need to zoom in on it. I mean, like.
I'm trying to figure out how 5 tablespoons is gonna. I guess 5 be enough.
We'll eye it. You know, if it works. Yeah, because like black people gotta eye it. You can't just be going off recipes.
You can't just go off recipes.
Right.
You gotta make your own.
Yeah, I needed to with them brownies.
That's how Nanny be eyeing that chicken salad and stuff. The recipe might say.
No, but D'Ya need to follow that recipe because them rubber brownies wasn't getting it with me. Them things look like full course rubber. Did you see it?
Uncle DL gonna see this video and he gonna know that you talking about.
I don't care. And his breath stinks, so what?
Oh.
And he ain't gonna say nothing to me. Y'all not getting too spread out for him. It's already wiggling. Thanks. Man, I wish Chris Brown would watch this video and be like, he'll give me front row tickets to his next show.
Chris Brown, no. You done went to the show the other week. I mean,
that was on the lawn. I want to be up close. Cause like, you know, he threw his hat, and if I would have caught that, guess what I done?
You would have sold it wrong.
No, I would have kept it, and I would have like put it up because he touched it. So, yeah.
His sweat gonna stink like everybody.
I don't care about doggone. It's Chris Brown. You like Chris like that?
Well, if it was my hat, you'd say, "Ooh, get this stinking hat out of here."
Because you're not Chris Brown. You my brother.
Shakera don't want to grow up, y'all. It's very sad.
You used to do this?
I don't ever remember rubber glue in my hand.
I did that one. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, wait a minute. Let me give me some paper towels.
We have 2.5 tablespoons of baking soda, Arm & Hammer.
We ain't about to promote them like that. For real, like that.
Oh, okay.
Like
Arm & Hammer. You better get on the ball. So that's 1. Oh. 2.
I have.
Oh, I have, yeah. I have. We're gonna do 5 tablespoons. Where's our other spoon? Grab the other spoon. Contact solution. Just take off the whole top, Shakera, because it'll take forever.
No, it won't. It really won't. It just
okay, never mind. So 1 and 5. 5. Oh, we getting a little. We getting a little slime. Oh. Mix it, sis. Work that wrist, girl. Work that wrist, sis.
I'm sorry.
Man, hey, listen, y'all. Be ready for a workout when you get this slime, but it's coming together, y'all.
Let me know what you want me to mix some.
Shakera, what you gonna mix next?
Yeah. He'll like get the sides and stuff.
Cheer me on. Will you cheer me on?
Mix that thing so real good. Yeah.
That slowed me down, Faye. Give me a real cheer.
That was good. Torque it. Torque that spoon. 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 Torque that spoon.
Okay, leave this down.
Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Move.
It's turning into slime, man.
Yes.
Okay, let Shakera mix some. That way everybody gets their fair shake and it'll be done.
I think I want to mix it with my hand.
Yeah. Okay, wait a minute. Let's get this off because I don't.
So now we went to hand mixing, y'all, to do a better job. We on the second phase of slime. Ooh, that looks like a good one, Faye.
Ooh,
yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
It's coming together now.
Oh yeah.
We getting some progress, y'all. This has actually been really fun.
We should have got beads.
To go in the slime?
Yeah.
That was good.
Like some of that one, you know that one ball, them like ball stuff.
Like
Yeah.
beads. Yeah.
But they're like soft.
Beads.
We're gonna turn off the lights and see if we can get a glow in the dark effect.
Once we get done, but we're not gonna have anything probably mixed up.
Oh, it's sliming good, ain't it?
Man,
Oh, that's good.
this was a success.
Yeah. This was definitely a success, y'all. Look. This is awesome.
Here.
So y'all, we're gonna put the ingredients in the description. This was fun.
You better not drop that and get no dirt on it. Go ahead.
My slime.
I love the sounds that it makes.
Wait a minute, let me show you.
It's so satisfying.
When you do this.
So y'all, this is our slime experiment.
We're
gonna leave.
We done this like a while back on Christmas, around Christmas. My voice was all creaked up. I had lost my voice. And that was terrible.
This was a lot of fun.
It really was.
It was a success. We're gonna leave the directions in the description below.
Wait a minute, Jay, watch this. Oh.
If y'all like this video, give us the thumbs up. Smash that red subscribe
On
button
Jay's face.
right now. Follow me on IG at Logan Fam Network and Faith.
Curly did that face. Follow me.
Oh, wow.
Stop! You get this on my picture. I'm a hurt you, boy.
Wow.
Keep playing.
Wow.
Keep playing with me. Stop! Stop it.
Okay, Faith, this is gonna hit the ground.
Big dummy. Oh. I better smack it on. Okay, bye y'all. Well, Jay will insert a clip.
Jay, I heard you doing your heart. Follow me on IG at Sadity_beauty, and that's SADITY_BEA.
But it me.
T-I.
Oh, wow.
Never?
Wow.
They should. That means it's good time to go to the gym.
We'll see y'all in the next video.
Well, no.